There's another design change for iPhone 15 Pro that we're really excited about. So with iPhone 15 Pro, we are reinventing the experience with a customizable action button.
So Apple's been going button crazy recently, adding an action button last year and a camera control button to the iPhone 16 lineup this year. And it seems the company isn't done yet with the buttons, as the Apple iPhone 17 Pro could have yet another new button, but this one might be instead of existing buttons. According to a leaker, Apple is testing an iPhone 17 Pro that's got a combined action button and volume buttons. Now, no one knows exactly how this button would work, a bit like the camera control right now. It's there, but we don't really know. It's just easier to use your hands, right? But it's likely it would function similar to camera control, perhaps letting you adjust the volume with a swipe and then activate customizable shortcuts with a press, therefore combining the volume control and the action button. So the leak on X says, from what I've been told, it looks like Apple is testing an iPhone 17 Pro with a new button that will replace the volume buttons and the action button that have been removed. According to Apple, one button might be better than three. You might be able to trigger different shortcuts depending on whether you press it lightly or hard. So in which case, this one button would do more than the three buttons that it might go on to replace. And of course, there's one big reason this could be happening. The iPhone 17 Air is set to be the slimmest iPhone ever. So having fewer cutouts in the frame would actually aid durability, something which the iPhone 17 Air might lack a little of since it's expected to be extremely slim. So what's your thoughts on one button replacing three buttons? No up volume, no down volume, and no action mode. It'll all just be one button. Is that too complicated to work out what you want to do with the button? Or do you prefer less buttons? Let me know. More buttons or less buttons, or just the right amount of buttons? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe, like, get involved, because you know there's more videos coming.